Climate change is real, and it is affecting life on every continent. The evidence is conclusive. Globally, the 10 hottest years on record have all happened since the beginning of the 1990s. Greenhouse gas emissions caused by our activity are harming the planet and have the potential to damage it beyond repair. Along with the serious threat posed by climate change, our planet is also rapidly running out of the natural resources that we all depend upon. It's time to act, and the best place to start helping the planet is right here at home. The way we heat and light our homes at present is just not efficient enough. Only around 30% of the fuel used to generate electricity at a power station is actually converted into energy. But more than 90% of the fuel used in Baxi EcoGen will generate heat and electricity for the average home. Baxi is an innovative company, responsive to the changing world we live in. We are developing ways to improve energy efficiency, including fuel cells, internal combustion engines, and external combustion engines like the Stirling engine. The Stirling engine is very efficient, clean, and reliable. It's also the technology behind Baxi's EcoGen boilers. Baxi EcoGen converts the energy stored in the gas supplied to homes into electricity and heat. Here's how the Baxi EcoGen system works. Outside, it looks like a standard wall-hung boiler, but inside, it's something altogether different. The advanced electronic control system allows the unit to modulate down to a very low thermal output while still generating electricity. Behind the cover, there's a boiler configuration that's entirely new, but based upon tried, proven technology. Everything is managed by the electronic control unit, from the volume of air and gas supplied to switching on and off. The spool valve controls the air and gas supply. The engine burner delivers precisely controlled heat to elevate the temperature of the top of the engine compartment to approximately 525 degrees centigrade. The hermetically sealed Stirling engine generates the electricity. At its heart is a displacer and piston. This is driven up and down at 50 cycles per second between electrical coils to generate a current. The engine can deliver up to 6 kilowatts of thermal output on its own, but it's also supported by a supplementary heat exchanger, giving an extra thermal output. In standard mode, the engine burner operates first, with the supplementary engine firing into action only when the heat demand goes above 6 kilowatts. Cold water from the domestic supply goes into the unit and picks up some initial heat by flowing around the engine. It then flows up to the supplementary heat exchanger, picking up more heat before flowing out of the unit. The 1 kilowatt of electrical output generated by the Stirling engine can either be used in the home to reduce consumption or exported back to the grid for an export tariff. Baxi has an unparalleled combination of knowledge and experience in developing, manufacturing and servicing home heating systems. We are pioneers in a business that will have a major impact on the future of the planet. With Baxi EcoGen, we can all make a difference. For more information on Baxi EcoGen, visit www.baxi.co.uk/ecogen.